In this video, I will show you how to transfer TON from Tonkeeper to Bybit. To do this, first just go and open up Tonkeeper, and from the home screen just gonna click on send. And now you will need to put in an address and an amount. So first of all, to find the address, go and open up Bybit, and then on Bybit click on deposit. Now here click deposit crypto, and in the search bar just type in TON, and then go to select TON right here. Now for the chain type, select TON. And now here you will get your wallet address. So simply go and copy your wallet address, and then right here go and paste it in under address or name. Now choose an amount that you would like to send. So I'll just click max, and then for the comment just go back to Bybit. So here you can see it as tag or memo. So go and copy tag or memo and go back to Tonkeeper and just paste it in where it says comment. Then click continue. Now you will see an overview, for example, the fee and stuff like that. So now just going to click on confirm and send, then enter your passcode. And after doing that, you will see done and it will now be sent. So I'll just wait for it to show up in my Bybit wallet so that you can see that it actually works. So for me, it took about 3 minutes and it has now shown up. As you can see, if I go to my assets, then funding, you will now see I have some TON coin right here. Now I already had 2.6, so now it's 3.7. So that's how to transfer TON from Tonkeeper to Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.